Okay. Go. Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
I'm moving out of this guy's way.
You're all right.
No use in us.
You know what? Pull down in here. You're okay, because this is... All right. If I'm not mistaken, Bub, I'm gonna get you there.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, this kind of curves down
and around.
And around, and we can get... You see what I'm saying?
Yes,
now,
sir.
if this thing punches back at us, we're gonna have to be real careful and bust it back out.
Yeah.
There's another
let's
road.
go ahead and make a rule no farther than 50 feet from the.
Yeah, that's fine, bro. Oh my God.
This is
okay.
perfect.
This is right. We may not be able to. Piss.
That's fine. We'll just go back real quickly.
Oh my gosh. Careful, Bart. Careful. Huh? Look at that. Look, if that camper goes, when that camper goes. Oh my God.
Well, look behind it. Look how bright that orange just got. Something just went.
Oh my God. We're going to get a little fire NATO out of it right now. Right here on this side, a little fire NATO. This is a Mannford fire. Yeah. I'm just getting a little tight stuff.
It took me forever to get here. I was already in here once, man. I drove out of here. I don't know why.
Bart, tell me what you want to do. That's moving back towards, actually.
They got this shit shut down. Like, we can't even.
Oh my God. This is bad. I hear you. Stay up there, Bart. Stay up there a minute.
Lanny Dean here.
Yeah, dirty Lanny Dean. Sweaty, nasty. Bart.
Is this on your next
Comstock? Hey man, this ought to be extreme right here, Extreme Chase Tours. We're with Bart Comstock.
Okay, I'm gonna follow this guy out because our welcome is gone with this fire. She's moving our way.
Okay. All right, listen.